there is a method to the curation of knowledge that we are talking about here. And then there are two approaches to building these such the representative models of reality. And why am I talking about it? It will become clear in just a few minutes. So there is first an observation of the reality, and then inferring based on the raw data what could be the forces at work behind the scenes. Okay, that is the bottom up approach. And the other approach is to theorize, saying I think human being is made of a mind and a body, okay, and etc., etc. Okay, so and then fit the data into that model, fit the data into that top-down approach, first principles approach thing, right? So from principle to observation. So that is the top-down approach, and predominantly science has it has so far, meaning modern science has done both things, but predominantly it has leaned more towards top down, even though of course observations keep happening and then they get corrected based on the observations, but predominantly it is fitting a data to a model conceived by some genius. Okay, so that's the approach. Now Indic approach has, from the get-go, from the beginning, even though it sounds like a top-down approach, it also has constantly adjusted its theories with observations. And this is very apparent in astronomy. Astronomical theories, our numerical approximation, for instance, numerical algorithms, which is all about what kind of equation would fit, would help me explain certain behavior of a system. Okay, that was always done not from the derivation but from data. Okay, and that has been in vogue at least 1500 years before the advent of numerical algorithms by in Europe. Okay, and that is a well-known fact. Okay, so the combination of starting with a seed model, seed understanding based on first principles understanding of what it is, and then adjusting it to the reality, adjusting it to the observations, that has been the approach of Indic system right from the beginning.